Hello. Okay, well, this video is mainly geared toward those of you that may not have enough time to, make yourself a healthy plate or side dish or, just something to eat. So what I'm going to prepare here and show you is how to steam some vegetables. Sometimes we our lives are so busy, we're up and going. You may not have time in the morning to cook something as you have to go to work and you have to pick up the kids, and then life happens. You come home, you have to cook, help your kids with their homework, and then by that time it's late in the evening and you're tired. So I'm here, I'm going to show you what to do. What I'm going to do is show you how to steam some string beans. I have some vegetables here that I'll show you. I'm going to wash them, and as I am doing that, I will tell you what I'm doing. This is just to help you and show you that you can cook yourself something healthy in the small amount of time that you may have. So with that, I have some string beans, and I'm going to wash them under hot water, not cold, because hot takes these, how in the stores the vegetables get splashed with those steam or whatever. So you want to use hot water just to brush that off. So I will do that. Okay. So just to conserve time here, pretend that I've already done that. And then what I will do is I will actually cut them on this video. I have a knife here, okay? What I do is I will take the string bean and I cut the edges off about maybe so much, okay? And I will do that on each side of the string bean, okay? So I'm not going to do that with all of them, as again, to save time with this video. So pretend I have already cut off all the ends of the beans, and then what I do is I'll put them in a pot. Okay, put them in a pot, and it's your choice what you want to season them with. What I do is I'll just sprinkle them with some salt, just a dab, not too much salt, because I don't like to use a lot of salt. Those of you who are watching your salt intake, don't use a lot of salt. So with me, I have this all natural sea salt. I like that. It gives the food a nice flavor. Just dab a little bit of that. And then some black pepper. If you don't have black pepper, you can use an all ground spice, just a dab of that. And you can also chop up some onions for flavor. The onion brings up the flavor. And then what I do is I'll base the pot with a little water, not too much. I don't fill it with a lot of water, just around the bottom, just to base it so it doesn't burn. And then I'll put it on the stove, just like a medium flame, but don't let it get too high. Once you see that the water has boiled, I'll lower it. And then what I do is I'll take a fork and I will try one. I like to have my vegetables a little crispy, not too soft. So once it reaches that tenderness to the way that I like it, then I'll turn it off. And then I'll keep the pot covered as to keep the steam inside. And then there you have your quick, healthy snack. You can eat vegetables any time of the day, and it's healthy. So that is my video to show you on what you can do to make something healthy and quick. It only takes about 5-10 minutes. And of course, if you want to take it in a small amount of time, you can raise the flame higher, but just watch so you don't burn it and the tenderness of the vegetable. Okay, that's my tip for you. And stay tuned for some more videos on tips on what to make in a small amount of time. Okay, thank you. Oh, and don't forget, before I forget to share with you, I am Randi Silverman. I am a certified by Nesta, a lifestyle weight management specialist, and I will be doing more of these videos. If you want, you can share what you have made in a quick amount of time with this video. I will post my contact information on this video and do so, under the comments. Okay, bye-bye.